Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your broker account on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 application on your device, and once you open it up, go to the Accounts menu from the top left corner and then tapping on Manage Accounts. Once you are within the Manage Account page, you can tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and you will be allowed to log into brokers. Now within the Find Brokers menu, just type in the broker that you want to connect to, and once you find the broker, simply tap on it and you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Now go ahead and enter your credential, such as your user ID within the login section and then your account password within the password box. Now since your server is already selected as it is linked with your broker, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your broker account right away. Make sure to uncheck the Save Password option if you are not logging in through a private device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into a broker account on the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.